So as we all know that UGC NET examination is approaching and paper 1 is of 50 marks and it plays a very important role in your selection into JRF or even in fact clearing your UGC NET examination. So within that we have a very important set of topic which is ICT, that is Information and Communication Technology, and it has been seen that almost 5 to 6 questions they come from the topic of ICT. So today Management Guide has come up with an ICT MCQ practice set which will help you in revising your ICT topic. So without wasting much time, let's discuss the ICT MCQs. So the first question for this topic is, what do you understand by ICT? So ICT is basically what? Information and Communication Technology. So the correct option is C. Next is, which of the following is not a type of computer network? So we know that LAN is a type of computer network. WAN, that is wide area network, is a type of computer network. MAN, which stands for Metropolitan Area Network, is a type of computer network. So the correct option for this question is option number D, which is TAN. TAN is not a type of computer network. Next question is, what is the full form of HTTP? Again, this question has been asked. So the full form of HTTP is basically what? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So what is the answer? Answer is option number A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay. Now you will see that HTTP is basically what? It is a protocol. Protocol is basically what? Protocol is a set of rules that govern the information and communication sharing over the internet. Now, which of the following is a type of web browser? So we know Google is a web browser. Then Yahoo is not a web browser. Bing is a web browser. Mozilla Firefox is a web browser. Whereas Yahoo is what? Yahoo is a search engine. So answer is Yahoo. Okay. Google web browser hai, Bing is a web browser, and Mozilla Firefox is also a web browser. Whereas Yahoo is basically what? It is a search engine. Okay. Next is, what do you understand by RAM? So RAM basically stands for what? Random access memory. Okay. So the correct option for this question is option number B. Okay. Next is, which of the following is used to uniquely identify the computer network? So what is the answer for this? What will help you in identifying the uniquely identify computer network? So answer will be what? Answer will be IP address. Okay. So basically IP address helps in what? IP address helps in your identification of, uniquely identify the computer over the network. Okay. Next is, in computing, what does GUI stands for? So GUI basically stands for what? Now there are two types of softwares that are there in computing. One are text-based softwares where the user has to type in the commands, and another is user interface-based softwares where with the help of icons, with the help of images, you can access to the software. Okay, you don't have to type the commands. So GUI basically stands for what? Graphical user interface. Okay, so option A is the answer. Fine. Now, which of the following is not a type of operating system? So we know operating system is basically what? It is a system software through which system makes the resources available, allocates the processes, manages the entire functioning of the computer. So Windows we know is an operating system, Linux is an operating system, Apple ke andar we can see Mac OS is there. So what is the correct answer? Oracle is the correct answer. Next is, what is the main function of router? So router is basically what? It is a network layer device in internet which basically helps in what? It helps in connecting multiple network. Okay, so it manages the network to network communication. So that is why, what is the answer? The correct answer for this question is option number B. Okay. Next is, what do you understand by PDF? So PDF we all know it is a type of document. So PDF basically stands for what? PDF stands for portable document format. Okay. So PDF is what? PDF is a portable document format, and this is a very important thing because ये question भी paper में पूछा गया है. Fine. So this is the full form of PDF. Which of the following is not a type of input device? So the next question is, which of the following is not a type of input device? So we know keyboard is a type of input device. Mouse is the type of pointing device and sometimes it is used for inserting some type of commands. Scanner is again a type of input device. Only the type of input device which is not a type of input device is Option number C, which is monitor. Monitor is basically what? It is a type of your output device which helps in what? It helps in displaying the output. Okay. So the correct answer is option number C. Next question is, what does URL stands for? So URL is basically what? It is a type of your system, addressing system of websites. Okay. So URL basically stands for what? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option number A, that is Uniform Resource Locator. Now you can see इसमें एक बहुत ही कंफ्यूजिंग सा जो आपका ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन नंबर सी है, एंड काफी सारे बच्चे जल्दबाजी में ऑप्शन सी को टिक कर देंगे, बट दैट इज एक्चुअली रॉन्ग. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज टू सेंड ईमेल्स. सो ईमेल्स के केस में हमारा कौन सा प्रोटोकॉल यूज होता है? सो FTP इज फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, सो ये तो नहीं होगा. सो आंसर फॉर दिस इज SMTP, विच इज सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. बट मैं आपको बाकी ऑप्शंस भी बता देती हूँ. HTTP स्टैंड्स फॉर हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, ये तो हम ऑलरेडी इसके रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. एंड SNMP इज अगेन अ टाइप ऑफ protocol, but here the correct answer is what? SMTP. Next question is, what is the full form of Wi-Fi? So Wi-Fi basically stands for what? Wireless fidelity. Okay. So again, this is a very important question. हम लोग Wi-Fi use तो करते रहते हैं, but हमारे को Wi-Fi का full form नहीं पता. Okay. Now last question of the day is, which of the following devices is used to connect computer to internet? Is it router, printer, scanner or keyboard? So answer is what? Router. I guess सबके घर पे router लगा होगा, and router is basically what? It is a device which helps in connecting your computer to the internet. Okay. So with this we have revised the important questions for your ICT topic. So if you like the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, because here we will be coming up with such more MCQ practice set for all the topics. Okay. तो एक हमने ICT के हमने कुछ practice set लेकर आए हैं. हम research methodology, हायर एजुकेशन और जो बाकी के टॉपिक्स हैं आपके पेपर 1 के, एज वेल एज फॉर पेपर 2 के, हम सबके MCQ प्रैक्टिस सेट लेकर आएंगे. सो अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया है, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू दी चैनल एंड बेल आइकन को भी प्लीज प्रेस कर लीजिए, बिकॉज तभी आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगी. ओके. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग.